Hola, Year 9. Welcome to your next lesson of Spanish. It's Miss Dinero, and I am doing this on behalf of Mrs. Burgess. We hope you're safe and well and ready to go with another Spanish lesson. Today's title is ¿Te gusta la comida española? So we're looking at, do you like Spanish food? So what we're looking at today is trying new food, describing different foods and meals, and we'll be using me gusta and me gustaría. I like and I would like. So the tasks that we are asking of you today is number 1, do the exercises where indicated, and number 2, make a note of vocabulary where indicated. At any time during this lesson, you can press pause and press play when you are ready to move on. Okay, exercise 1. Empareja las fotos con la lista de la compra correcta. So basically we want you to match up the photos with the correct shopping list below. So you will see a family from Guatemala, Spanish-speaking country, and Cuba, another Spanish-speaking country in Latin America. And you will see on each of their tables they have a variety of foods and drinks. And below you will see A, B and C, which are 3 shopping lists. All we would like you to do is to pause the video and to decide which you would link to which family. The circled words are cognates. A cognate is a word that is similar to English. So why don't you work those ones out first? If you press pause and play when you're ready to move on. Okay, your answers. Guatemala was matched with shopping list C, and Cuba was matched with shopping list A. Can you find the following? The word for cans of beer, 2 big loaves of bread, a pineapple, 12 packets of crisps, 100 grams of sugar, 500 grams of flour, 3.5 kilograms of carrots, 23 litres of water, 3 cauliflowers. If you make a list of the Spanish, press pause and press play when you're ready for your answers. Okay, your answers are here. So if you press pause and press play when you're ready, match up the Latin American dishes on the left with the descriptions on the right. The English for the words in bold is given in the red box. So there's a little bit of help on your top left. So you'll see aguacate, which is an avocado, una salsa, a dip or sauce, etc. So some help is there for you. But if you could match up numbers 1 to 6, which are Latin American dishes. So Latin America includes Spain, it includes Central America, and it includes South America, because there are many, many countries, 21 countries in total, throughout Latin America that speak Spanish. So if you press pause, match up, and then when you're ready, just press play. Your answers are here. If you would like to put it in your books or either on paper or whatever it is that you're working with at the moment, Mrs. Burgess has asked to add this vocab to your list. So if you press pause and play when you are ready. Okay, exercise 4. Which countries do you think these dishes come from? So you'll see bori, tortillas, gazpacho, paella, guacamole, Cairo. Think back to the slide before. Do they come from Spain, Bolivia, Paraguay, Mexico? Press pause when you're ready, play. Bori comes from Paraguay, paella comes from Spain, tortillas, Mexico, gazpacho, Spain, guacamole, Mexico, and Cairo, Bolivia. Exercise 5. Copy the table below. Read the texts on the next slide and complete the table in English. So my advice to you would be to pause the video and to get this table copied out into your books or paper or on Word, whatever it is you're using, and then press play when you're ready for the text to fill it. Here you go. ¿Cuál es tu plato favorito? What is your favorite dish? ¿Qué plato te gustaría probar? What dish would you like to try? So there's 4 texts here, and we would like you to fill in the table from before. So if you press pause and play when you're ready. Here are your answers. If you press pause, check and correct, and when you're ready, press play. Write a text about your favourite dish or dishes. Include what your favourite dish is, a description of it, the ingredients, why you like it, and a dish that you would like to try. Now, how are we going to be able to answer all 5 of those bullet points? Okay, so there's 2 things we're going to need. First thing is some sentence starters. So Miss underneath has actually set it out for you really, really well. So all you have to do is actually add what it is you like, the description, the ingredients, a reason why, and something you'd like to try. Mi plato favorito es un tipo de que es típico de, contiene, me gusta porque me gustaría probar, es something, contiene something. Now if you're looking at that thinking, what on earth? On your right hand side is a useful vocab list with loads of different sentence starters, opinion phrases, and some vocab that will really get you started. Okay. Now when we say write a text, we do not want anything more than a very short paragraph. I would like you to use what's on the screen to try and answer those 5 bullet points. Okay, we're looking for something short and sweet. So if you press pause and play when you're ready to move on, do remember to submit evidence of this. If you show us evidence of this, we can have a look at the work that you've done and we're able to say, oh, here's what you need to improve on, or great use of this. If we don't see evidence of that, we can't do anything, okay? But just give it your best bet, your best shot, and remember to try and upload some evidence of it. Okay? Stay safe. Adios. Hasta luego. Any questions or anything that you would like or you need answering, just put it onto Show My Homework and we'll respond to you. Our suggestions would also be to spend some time on Quizlet. It's free. You've all got to log on to it. There's all the vocab you need to practice this part of Spanish that you are doing at the moment. Most importantly, look after yourselves, and we cannot wait to have you back. Adios, hasta luego.